Okay, hey, what is going on, beautiful people? It's another AmazingAnatomy.com. Welcome to the series of understanding how to sculpt anatomy figure, an animal anatomy figure. We're going to be doing African wild dog, pretty much similar to like the canines, the felines, or whatsoever. We're in Blender, so these are the techniques I've been using in our channel in ZBrush also. So if you guys use the channel, this is where we mainly focus on a ZBrush and Blender, human and animal anatomy sculpting for artists. Alrighty, have this dog over here, the base mesh, already rigged and stuff. Can grab any base mesh you like. To start from, has to be a bit of low party going on. Alrighty, where's the guy? Where am I locating him? I even have no idea anymore. Okay, so let's select him. And here's materials modifier. Probably crank him out. Around the floor. Sweet. And control, I'm gonna just press N to show my screencast keys. Just making sure you guys can see my shortcuts. Control and tab, and I'm gonna move into sculpt mode, which that's what you want. Oh my boy, he just moved to symmetrical, which that's what we want. So under here in sculpt mode, I'm gonna show you just do 3. Let's think 4 is fine. So let me just do 4. Subdivision level through, doesn't matter. Ready, and let's do it. I'm gonna start this side. Go to X, turn on my symmetry. So what I do on the other side, it will be on the other side. Just gonna go here to this arrow and hide my where's these guys now? Oh, let's go to sculpt mode, sculpt layout, sculpt. So make sure it's mirroring on the x-axis. Don't mind the eyes, guys. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, and now let's start with this. I'm gonna be using the draw shop for this lecture. So we're just gonna be sketching before we continue with editing. Press F to decrease the brush size. And I'm gonna start with this muscle called the latissimus dorsi. I'm gonna start with that guy. Comes here, wraps one of the bigger muscles at the back here. I don't know if you can see that it's pixelating. So I'm gonna take him to 5. I think he deserves to be in 5. Let's give it some time, hope it doesn't crash. So guys, these are just the principles of how you would approach your sculpt. So I believe that these techniques are very important, whether you're going to be adding full or whatsoever. When you're creating a base mesh, you need to know the anatomy, and that's what we teach. So knowing these muscles, they're gonna be very useful. We have our latissimus and our pectoralis muscle over here, and join to the side. I'll probably just right click. Let's go back to object mode. Go back to layouts. It is because you see we can see all these polygons. I just want to smooth shade switch. Let's give it some time. I don't know why it's lagging. I think I should isolate this guy because he's lagging a lot. Right. Give it some time to calculate. Come on, my boy.
Very manual stuff.
Probably just pause this guy, the video, and I will continue next. Oh, it happened. Sweet, let me just select him, and as you see guys, it's updating on the regular, so it's very nice. Let me just select him and shift H to isolate him. And if I go over here, let me just delete all these particles. We don't need him. Go to particle system. And just gonna these guys. Press this minus sign. Just delete his particles. You guys don't need to worry about this. Should have done this long ago. I don't know if that's some reason why it's lagging like this. I'll probably be removing these guys. Kinda help to ease it up a bit. Sweet, now we have it selected. Back to sculpt mode. Just continue with our sketch. Oh, I forgot to shade smooth. Oh, why? I am so dumb, Adrian. Click on your model, right click and shade smooth. See how smooth it is now. Go back to sculpt mode. Righty. Right. Yo, lat muscle. My boy, you're a bit laggy there. So we have our pectoralis muscles. Just coming in from this side. Oh, I just love the deltoid. Oh my soul. She's drawing the deltoid muscle. We have 3 heads. No, the deltoid. Yeah. What am I doing? Just coming in. Just finding, like, once you have these lines, these sketches, you can look at reference. There's tons of reference online. I found a dog labeled. Or you can buy a book. Or you can use our reference that we have on our website. It is anatomy.com, which is free. We have done a canine. The muscle groups will be the same, so you don't need to worry about that. Then we're gonna do our triceps. Oh, all these muscles are so nice. Triceps, try as in 3. I think I'm further up because it's supposed to be. This is a scap. This is the scapula, and then we try the cool. That's fine. And then the chat attaches over here. Tricep to the 3 heads. Like so. Alrighty. The last head over here at the back. And all of them just joining over here. Emphasizing that a tad. Alrighty. And we have our teres major. Back here. I'm gonna start it from here. To the rhythm major. Alrighty. Coming in like that. And the inner for muscle. So there's a bicep here at the front. We'll love to do this. We're ready. Extender cobradialis. Oh wow, so these muscles are so nice. So I might have to move my doubt a bit. Supposed to be attaching here to the Electronon. And then we have our extender Vegetorium communis. These names, oh my word. Why, guys? Just zoom in here. We're just gonna be using one brush. Let's make sure these lines are straight. Right now it's lagging, so it's not performing very well. And then we have our extender copy ulnaris. Oh my word, because it's on the ulnar side. This muscle over here, this tiny muscle, as like these animals, you only get the muscle fibers on here on top, and then as you go down it's just setting tendons, similar to humans. Alrighty, let's leave that there. Sticks, I need to fix this. Yeah, this is supposed to be somewhere here. Leak out. Ooh, sorry about that. Sometimes I just forget that I'm not using ZBrush. Okay, then I'm just gonna smooth it out with shift. Just correcting these muscle fibers, yeah. Alrighty. It's good I actually saw this before we even add the forms. It's a very good thing. So we're just gonna start from here. Ready. Smooth it out, cause we added about a way. And then this comes in. Ends over here, is it right? Well, that's not too bad. And then this just goes down like so. Ready. Do I come on this side? Oh, we'd have our trapezius. So my word, this muscle is so nice. It is so nice. Comes in over here. The vertebrae. I think I've already had it here. Trapezius. Try again. When it's try, it's which means it has 3 heads. Shit, the other one comes in this side. Still a short line, yeah. And we have our favorite muscle, my favorite muscle, brachiocephalic. This big neck muscle splits into 2. Just gonna be doing those side muscles, yeah, brachiocephalic, okay. Come here, my boy. Let's drag him in. Like so. Some of these lines. We're just gonna be doing these major muscles. We see here we have the ribs just flowing in like so. They have 13 ribs. Look at that. Just minus sketch. And then we have our iliocostal stylus. Oh nice, oh this is very nice. We have this bump over here, ready for the pelvis, and we have our sartorius muscle. But shouldn't be too pronounced. Coming over here to the patella. Ready. And we have our obliques. We'll emphasize those later. It's coming in there. After the sartorius, we have our tensor fascia latae. This guy. And then we have our gluteus medius. Alrighty. Gluteus medius. Depending on if you're doing the superficials. Alright, let me just come in here. So underneath and inside there we have our quadricep femoris, and this is where the femur comes in with the patella, and then they join there. And then underneath have the biceps femoris. Oh my word, these are so nice. Ooh, biceps femoris, and it's covered in fascia. As you see me, I'm not emphasizing it a lot. Over there, just not too worried about that. But then we have the masseter. Ready? Oh, well, these sketches are just rough, guys. It doesn't have to be too precise. Then we have our stenohyoid. Over here. And then the writing of scutularis muscle over here at the back. Just rough sketches again, guys. Not to be too precise. Alrighty. So we're done with our sketches. It's just rough sketches. We will continue in the next lecture. And again, thank you guys for your time. As you have a nice and welcome. See you guys in the next one.